So you might be having an issue where for some reason your TikTok account is giving you login issues. So what is this? Well, basically, when you're trying to go ahead and log into TikTok, you might be seeing that you're actually not able to log in, or maybe it's not letting you log in for some reason. Now, the first thing I'd recommend you to do here is to basically go ahead and double check the username and the password in which you're going through and actually, trying to log into your account with. So what does this mean? Well, essentially what you want to do is you want to double check your username and your account, but you also want to make sure you're logging in the same way that you logged in before. So I have this issue sometimes if you're trying to log into TikTok, you have to go back the same method in which you logged into TikTok the first time. So you can go ahead and use your phone email username, but if you normally log in with your Apple account, you will have to make sure you log in with your Apple account this time around, because if you don't, well, then that's going to be the issue. So go ahead and click onto whatever way you logged in before. I didn't log in this way. I logged in with my Apple account. So click here. You want to go ahead and go type in the information that you normally would. And that is probably going to end up fixing the situation for a majority of people out there. Now, that is all you kind of have to do there. Same thing with Google. You can also go down and you can sign in with Instagram or Twitter. But that is that. You are going to have to make sure you log in the same way as you've done before. Now, if TikTok is still not letting you actually log in, the next thing you want to do is double check your Wi-Fi and your internet. So if you're on data, make sure you're in an area with good signal. If you have Wi-Fi, make sure you have an area with good Wi-Fi too. You can also try going into your settings like this. You want to go ahead and go into your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever, just Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure everything looks good there. But if everything looks good, the last thing you can do, or one of the last things you can do, is to make your way over to your app store, type in TikTok. So type in TikTok as you normally would, and just double check that TikTok isn't actually down, or just double check that TikTok doesn't actually have an update available. You can check it's down later, but just update TikTok if you have the ability of doing so, and that is probably going to fix the issue too. If that's still not working, try going into a website like downdetector.com. You can also go to like isitdown.com, one of those types of websites that will tell you what's down and what's not, and that will probably end up fixing the problem too. If TikTok is down, it's going to be like number one or number two, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait it out until you fix the problem. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.